The Hummer 110 Mega Reach side loader is a heavy-duty logistics solution designed for handling and transporting containers with unmatched efficiency. With its unique Mega Reach system, it can transfer containers across multiple lanes, rail tracks, or obstacles, giving it operational flexibility in ports, terminals, and industrial zones. Built with advanced hydraulics and high-strength materials, it ensures stable lifting of containers up to 45 tons while minimizing downtime. Its modular design allows customization for different industries, whether in freight forwarding, logistics hubs, or intermodal transport. By reducing the need for extra equipment and improving turnaround times, the Hummer 110 optimizes workflow and lowers costs. Known for reliability, durability, and precision, this side loader sets a new benchmark in global container handling. The Palfinger Vrone represents the future of vehicle inspection and repair, combining robotics with precision engineering. This innovative system is designed to automate underbody inspections, reducing manual labor and improving safety for operators. Its robotic arm and sensor technology can access hard-to-reach areas beneath large trucks or trailers, providing real-time diagnostics and maintenance support. Compact yet powerful, the Vrone minimizes downtime by allowing faster and more accurate inspections compared to traditional methods. Palfinger's expertise in hydraulics and automation ensures the Vrone delivers maximum efficiency while reducing costs for fleet operators and service centers. It is a revolutionary step in predictive maintenance, offering businesses the ability to extend the life of their vehicles while ensuring compliance with safety standards. The Electrans Auto Connect is an advanced trailer connection system that automates the process of coupling electrical and pneumatic lines between trucks and trailers. This technology eliminates manual handling, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring a safer, faster, and more efficient connection. With robust engineering and weatherproof sealing, the system is built to perform reliably in harsh conditions. For fleet operators, it minimizes downtime, improves turnaround efficiency, and enhances driver safety by removing the need to physically connect heavy lines. Electrans integrates seamlessly with modern fleets, supporting smart logistics and autonomous trucking initiatives. By combining innovation with practicality, the AutoConnect helps the transportation industry move toward a fully automated future. The WeBoost Drive Sleek Off the Record is a powerful signal booster engineered specifically for truck drivers who rely on consistent mobile connectivity across remote highways and challenging terrain. Designed with a rugged cradle and an external antenna, it enhances cellular signals for calls, texts, and data across all U.S. carriers. Its compact design makes it easy to mount in any cab, while its high-gain technology ensures reliable communication even in low-signal areas. For long-haul drivers, it improves navigation, fleet communication, and overall safety by keeping connections strong. Durable and weather-resistant, the Drive Sleek Off the Record is built to handle the toughest road conditions. It's an essential tool for modern trucking, ensuring drivers remain connected wherever the road takes them. The Apollo Solar Kit for Trucks provides an eco-friendly energy solution for drivers and fleet operators looking to reduce fuel costs and emissions. Designed to integrate seamlessly with trucks and trailers, this solar power system captures renewable energy to support auxiliary power units, refrigeration, lighting, or electronic devices. Built with high-efficiency solar panels and durable components, it withstands harsh road conditions while delivering reliable energy output. By reducing engine idling, the kit not only lowers fuel consumption but also extends vehicle lifespan and minimizes environmental impact. Ideal for long-haul trucking and off-grid operations, the Apollo Solar Kit is a smart investment for companies committed to sustainability and cost efficiency. It represents the future of clean energy and transportation. The IIHS Automatic Emergency Braking System, AEB, is one of the most important safety innovations in modern trucking. Designed to reduce collisions caused by driver inattention or delayed reaction, AEB uses radar and camera sensors to detect obstacles, vehicles, or pedestrians in the truck's path. Once a threat is identified, The system alerts the driver and, if necessary, automatically applies the brakes to avoid or mitigate impact. This technology is a game changer for long-haul and urban trucking, where safety risks are high. By reducing rear-end collisions and lowering insurance costs, AEB is not just a safety upgrade, but also a financial advantage for fleet operators. Endorsed by the IIHS, this system is paving the way towards safer roads and smarter automated transportation. Rocketail is an aerodynamic innovation engineered to optimize fuel efficiency for heavy-duty trucks. Its unique folding tail design deploys automatically at highway speeds to reduce aerodynamic drag and collapses when not in use for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, Rocketail requires minimal maintenance and integrates seamlessly with existing trailers. By cutting wind resistance, it can save thousands of dollars in annual fuel costs while reducing carbon emissions. For fleets operating across long distances, Rocketail provides an immediate return on investment, combining sustainability with profitability. It is a perfect example of how intelligent design can improve both performance and environmental responsibility in modern trucking. The EcoFins Vortex Generator is an innovative fuel-saving device designed to improve truck aerodynamics. Mounted strategically on the trailer's surface, it manipulates airflow to reduce drag and turbulence, ultimately lowering fuel consumption. Compact and lightweight, EcoFins can be easily installed without altering the vehicle's structure, making it a cost-effective upgrade for fleets. With rising fuel prices and stricter emission regulations, this system provides measurable savings while supporting environmental sustainability. Tested in real-world conditions, EcoFins have proven to enhance fuel efficiency across long-haul operations, delivering both economic and ecological benefits. For transport companies focused on maximizing margins and minimizing emissions, EcoFins represent a smart and forward-thinking solution. The Minimizer Universal Tool Caddy is a versatile storage solution engineered for truckers and mechanics on the go. Designed with rugged construction and weather-resistant materials, it provides organized compartments to store essential tools, parts, and accessories. Portable and adaptable, the caddy can fit easily into truck cabs, trailers, or workshops, ensuring that equipment is always accessible when needed. Its ergonomic design reduces clutter, improves efficiency, and prevents costly downtime caused by misplaced tools. For professional drivers, fleet operators, and service technicians, the Minimizer Tool Caddy is not just storage, it's an essential productivity booster built for demanding environments. Durable, reliable, and practical, it sets a new standard in mobile tool management. The Truck Platooning Initiative represents the future of freight transportation, combining vehicle-to-vehicle communication, automation, and aerodynamics. In a platoon, 2 or more trucks travel closely together at synchronized speeds, reducing drag and fuel consumption. Advanced connectivity systems allow the lead truck to control acceleration and braking for the following vehicles, improving road safety and efficiency. By cutting fuel usage up to 10% and reducing CO2 emissions, platooning addresses both environmental and economic challenges in logistics. It also enhances traffic flow and lowers driver fatigue through automation support. With ongoing trials worldwide, truck platooning is becoming a cornerstone of intelligent transport systems, transforming how goods move across highways. The Ateco Thermo is an advanced thermal management system designed for heavy-duty trucks and transport vehicles. Built to maintain stable temperatures for sensitive cargo, it integrates precision engineering with robust energy efficiency. Whether transporting perishable goods, pharmaceuticals, or temperature-critical components, this system ensures consistent climate control under even the harshest conditions. Its modular design allows seamless integration into different trailer configurations, while low-maintenance operation keeps fleet costs predictable. Ateco Thermo also emphasizes sustainability by reducing fuel consumption through optimized thermal regulation. With growing global demand for reliable cold chain logistics, This system is not just an accessory, it's a necessity, ensuring safety, compliance, and efficiency for long-haul operations. Oilmen's Safety Rail System sets new standards for tanker truck safety. Designed to protect operators during loading and unloading processes, this rail system minimizes fall risks and provides stable access to elevated tanker areas. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, it withstands the rigors of industrial use while maintaining a lightweight, easy-to-operate structure. By integrating safety with convenience, it reduces workplace accidents, improves compliance with regulatory standards, and enhances worker confidence. For fuel, chemical, and liquid transport fleets, this solution ensures that safety is never compromised. Oilmen's innovative approach demonstrates a commitment to protecting lives while keeping essential industries moving efficiently. The Thermo King Tri-Pack 3 is a revolutionary auxiliary power unit, APU, engineered for modern trucking. It provides heating, cooling, and electrical power without idling the truck's engine, significantly reducing fuel costs and emissions. Designed with reliability and driver comfort in mind, Tri-Pack 3 offers climate control for rest periods, powering electronics, and maintaining optimal cab conditions. Its compact and efficient design lowers maintenance demands while extending engine life by cutting unnecessary idling. With environmental regulations tightening worldwide, Tri-Pack 3 helps fleets meet sustainability goals while saving money. For drivers on long hauls, it ensures comfort and efficiency, making it a trusted companion on the road. The Hendrickson Tiramox Pro is an intelligent automatic tire pressure management system tailored for commercial trucking. It actively monitors and adjusts tire pressure to ensure optimal performance, safety, and fuel economy. By inflating, relieving, or equalizing tire pressure across multiple axles, it prevents blowouts, reduces tire wear, and enhances overall vehicle stability. The system is fully automatic, requiring no driver intervention, and provides real-time diagnostics to maintenance teams. With tires being one of the largest expenses in fleet management, Tiramox Pro directly impacts profitability while improving safety. This technology demonstrates how smart systems can transform traditional trucking challenges into sustainable solutions. The UD Trucks Quan is a next-generation heavy-duty truck that blends Japanese engineering precision with advanced environmental performance. Equipped with the innovative G11 engine and ISCO Tangent V automated transmission, it delivers exceptional fuel efficiency, durability, and driver comfort. Its design focuses on safety, featuring lane departure warnings, stability control, and advanced braking systems. The Quan is also built with eco-friendly technologies that reduce emissions, aligning with global sustainability initiatives. Inside the cabin, ergonomic design enhances driver productivity and comfort, while intelligent telematics support fleet management with real-time data. Quan is more than a truck. It's a complete logistics solution, setting benchmarks in reliability, efficiency, and responsibility for the modern transport industry. Pacton has built a global reputation as a premium manufacturer of trailers, delivering solutions that combine strength, durability, and customization. Known for its versatile portfolio including flatbeds, container chassis, and curtain-sided trailers, Pacton focuses on optimizing payload efficiency while maintaining long service life. Each trailer is engineered with lightweight materials without compromising on strength, ensuring reduced fuel consumption and lower operating costs. Safety features like advanced braking systems, anti-slip platforms, and reinforced chassis designs guarantee reliability in demanding conditions. Pacton also emphasizes customization, offering fleets the ability to tailor trailers for specific cargo needs. With decades of innovation and engineering excellence, Pacton continues to support logistics and transport companies worldwide in achieving operational excellence. The collaboration between ISE and TECO marks a transformative step in yard logistics with the development of autonomous yard trucks. These vehicles are designed to streamline trailer movement within distribution centers, ports, and warehouses, addressing labor shortages while increasing efficiency. Equipped with AI-driven navigation, sensors, and machine learning, The system ensures safe maneuvering even in complex, high-traffic environments. Unlike traditional trucks, autonomous yard tractors operate 24/7 with consistent precision, reducing downtime and improving throughput. They also gather operational data to optimize yard layouts and scheduling. This partnership demonstrates how automation and AI are reshaping industrial logistics, enabling companies to cut costs, improve safety, and remain competitive in a fast-evolving global supply chain. The Truck Airbag Front Suspension Helper Kit is an essential upgrade for heavy-duty pickups and commercial trucks carrying varying loads. Designed to provide additional support to the front suspension system, it ensures stability, ride comfort, and improved handling under heavy strain. The airbags can be adjusted to accommodate changing weight, reducing wear on suspension components while enhancing steering control. For trucks equipped with plows, winches, or front-heavy accessories, this system prevents sagging and maintains proper alignment. It also minimizes driver fatigue by smoothing out rough terrain. Easy to install and highly durable, the kit empowers fleet owners and off-road enthusiasts alike with a cost-effective solution to extend vehicle life and improve overall performance. The HTS-CC Cone Carrier Cradle is a practical innovation designed for road maintenance and traffic management professionals. Built to efficiently carry, deploy, and retrieve traffic cones, it enhances both productivity and safety during roadside operations. Its cradle design securely stores cones in accessible positions, reducing manual lifting and minimizing worker fatigue. By streamlining deployment, it significantly cuts the time crews spend exposed to traffic hazards. Constructed from robust materials, the cradle withstands demanding work environments and ensures long-term reliability. With increased focus on occupational safety and efficiency, the HTS-CC Cone Carrier Cradle is becoming an indispensable tool for organizations tasked with ensuring smooth and safe traffic. The Hendrickson Ultima AX suspension is a breakthrough in severe-duty vocational truck suspension technology. Engineered for extreme environments such as construction, mining, and oilfield applications, it delivers unmatched durability, stability, and performance. The system incorporates progressive rate springs and a heavy-duty design that absorbs harsh impacts while maintaining vehicle balance and control. Unlike traditional suspensions, Ultimax reduces maintenance needs by minimizing wear on bushings and other components, ensuring long service life. Drivers benefit from improved ride quality, reduced vibration, and greater maneuverability, even under maximum payload. With its proven track record in some of the world's toughest industries, the Hendrickson Ultimax stands as a benchmark for reliability and strength in modern vocational trucking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.